Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we finished up to 41. Next, question number 42. Integral x plus 2 by x square plus 3x plus 3 into root of x plus 1 dx. This value we need to integrate. Here, to eliminate this square root, you will consider x plus 1 is a t square because remaining without root is there. If we eliminate the square root only, we can simplify. This complete function also we need to convert in terms of x plus 1. So x plus 2 I am writing x plus 1 plus 1. This I am writing x square plus 2x plus 1. Remaining what? One more x will be there. Plus 2 I am writing like this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 2x plus x is 3x. Into root of x plus 1 dx. X plus 1 plus 1. This I can write x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 plus 1 into root of x plus 1. To remove that square root, I am taking x plus 1 is equal to t square. Differentiate this. X derivative 1, 1 derivative 0, that is dx equal to 2t dt. Substitute all the terms in the given expression. X plus 1 is called t square, that is t square plus 1 into dx is 2t dt by t square whole square, that is t power 4 plus t square plus 1. Root of t square is t, that is t gets cancelled. Take 2 common. 2 into integral t square plus 1 by t power 4 plus t square plus 1 into dt. Now in this condition wise, we are taking t square is common in numerator. Here also t square is common because already we done some questions. This type of expressions are there. T square common in numerator, what will get? 1 plus 1 by t square by, here also t square common, what will get? T square common means 1 plus 1 by t square into dt. Now t square gets cancelled. Again you have to do one more substitution. Which function derivative will get here? T derivative 1 minus 1 by t. 1 by t derivative minus 1 by t square. If you take minus 1 by t means you will get 1 by 1 t square will get. That's why again you have to consider one more substitution. That's a t by 1 minus t is equal to u. If you differentiate this derivative is present in numerator. We are differentiating with respect to t only. T derivative 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, minus of minus plus into dt equal to du. Find this also in terms of u, squaring on both sides. A minus b whole square, t square plus 1 by t square minus 2ab, 2 into t into 1 by t, t cancel, only minus 2 is equal to u square. Send minus to that side, t square plus 1 by t square equal to u square plus 2. Substitute these values in that. 2 into integral, this complete value is du, 1 by t square plus 1 by t square is u square plus 2 plus 1 means u square plus 3. 2 into 1 by the second u square plus root 3 whole square du. This is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square, that is the formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, that is u by root 3 plus c, that is 2 by root 3 tan inverse of, what is the u value? T minus 1 by t by root 3 plus c. LCM is what? T only na. That's why 2 by root 3 tan inverse of t square minus 1 by root 3 into t plus c. Now finally from this 2 by root 3 tan inverse of t square minus 1. T square is how much is there? X plus 1. X plus 1 minus 1 is just x only. by root 3 into t square is x plus 1. What is the t will get? Root of x plus 1. Short of root 3 into x plus 1 will get plus c. And which option is there like this? Option B, you can take 2 by root 3 tan inverse of x by root of 3 into x plus 1 or root 3 into root x plus 1. That is, option B is the correct one. Next question number 43. Integral dx by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Now next questions all are based on rational function, means partial fraction concept. A into log of 1 plus x square plus b into tan inverse x. We need to find a value and b value. First I will take this function separately. 1 by x plus 2 into, this is non-repeated factor, we can take a by x plus 1 only, x plus 2 ma. This is a quadratic equation, that's why I will take linear expression in numerator, bx plus c by x square plus 1, take it as equation number 1. Take LCM means both sides LCM will get same only. So a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. To find a, I will take x is equal to minus 2. This total will vanish completely. So 1 equal to a into minus 2 whole square, that is 4 plus 1. Second value 0 clearly. From this a is equal to what you will write? 1 by 5. Next I will compare x square and x coefficient. First x square coefficient left side 0. X square coefficient a into x square a. Bx into x, bx square, that's why plus b will get. So b is equal to minus a. So b is equal to minus 1 by 5. X coefficient ma 0. Bx into 2, that is 2bx, 2b is the coefficient. C into x, cx plus c. C is equal to minus 2b. Minus 2 into minus 1 by 5, that is plus 2 by 5. This is small as a capital C value. From 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. There is no shortcut, I have to do like this only. 1 by 5 by x plus 2. Next, bx plus c. What is the b value? Minus 1 by 5. X plus 2 by 5. By x square plus 1. Now we'll integrating on both sides. Integral 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 dx. 1 by 5 common, integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. Now overall you can take in this 1 by 5 is common, or you can take separately also. Minus 1 by 5 integral x by x square plus 1 into dx, dividing separately. Plus 2 by 5 is a constant, integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. If you differentiate this, what you will get? 2x. That's why one more step I will take. 1 by 5 integral 1 by x plus 2 into dx. The question is given still ma. They given still 1 by 5 log mod x plus 2 plus c, capital C. This is complete equation. Okay. Now to find that I am dividing and multiply with 2. 1 by 5 I am writing 2 by 10 like this, because we can apply formula f dash of x by f of x plus 2 by 5 integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. One more step, you can get a value and b value. Now 1 by 5 integral 1 by x form log mod of x plus 2. Now minus 1 by 10 f dash of x by f of x form. So log mod of x square plus 1. And last 2 by 5, it is in the form of integral 1 by 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse x formula plus c. Now compare coefficient of log of 1 plus x square is a. What is the coefficient? Minus 1 by 10, that is a. Coefficient of tan inverse x is b. That is b is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10, 2 by 5. That is option A. C is the correct one. Next, question number 44. Integral of dx cube by x cube into x power n is given. Okay, first derivative of x cube, what we will get? 3x square into x0 dx by x cube into x power n plus 1. Two terms is cancelled. Take 3 common. Integral 1 by x into x power n plus 1. If you take x power n is t, derivative of x power n is what? N into x power n minus 1. But here x power n minus 1 is not there in numerator. That's why multiply and divide with the x power n, because x power n minus 1 because including n also take, no problem. Multiply and divide with n into x power n minus 1. As derivative of x power n, we get that value 3 n into x power n minus 1. Here n into x power n minus 1 power, what is there here? 1. That's why what will get? X power n. If you divide the same value, n into x power 1, here minus 1 cancel, x power n will get into x power n plus 1 dx. Now I will take x power n is t. Derivative is present in numerator. Now put x power n is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. N into x power n minus 1 dx equal to dt. Take this 1 by n common, that is 3 by n. Integral of 1, because this complete value dt. T into t plus 1. No need to apply partial fractions, is a consecutive factors. Now we can subtract directly. I can take this one 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1. Simplify, you will get actually t and t plus 1 is the highest. But when you take denominator, 1 by t is a more, 1 by t plus 1 is less. That's why 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1. Simplify, you will get same expression. 3 by n integrate now. Both are integral of 1 by x form only. Log mod t, so log mod of t plus 1 plus c. Now it is in form of log a minus log b. Log of a by b, that is t by t plus 1 plus c. 3 by n log of, what is the t value? X power n. It's x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. Which option having this value? Option A. Next, question number 45. Integral x plus 1 whole square by x into x square plus 1 dx. Okay, first numerator expand. What will you get? X square plus 1 plus 2x. A plus b whole square. X into x square plus 1. Now divide with the denominator. This is first one term, another term. So dividing means what? X square plus 1, x square plus 1 cancel, 1 by x. If divide means what will get? X cancel, 2 by x square plus 1 dx. Integral of 1 by x dx, 2 constant common, integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Integral of 1 by x, log mod x or log x, no problem. 2 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square or x square plus 1, tan inverse x plus c. Base is e only one, no need to say again. Log mod x or log x plus 2 tan inverse x plus c, that is option B is the correct one. So next, question number 46. Question number 46. Integral x cube minus x by 1 plus x power 6 into dx. Condition wise, these values we need to consider. Now okay, in numerator is a proper function only. Degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. I will take x is common from this. X square minus 1. 1 plus x power 6 I am writing x square whole cube. Only this is a way how to do. Because if we take x square t, complete function changes to in terms of t. X square derivative is 2x. 2 you can send right side, no issue. That's why we have to do like this only. Put x square equal to t. Differentiate this. 2x dx equal to dt. Send it to that side. X dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now 1 by 2 constant, I will take common integral. Remaining t square minus 1 by 1 plus t cube into dt. Now here again the value wise, now we are only just okay, I can take x square is t, that's why I can take t minus 1 only enough. Here again degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, proper function only. Here we can make partial fractions condition. 1 by 2 into t minus 1 by, this is a cube minus b cube formula, we can take a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is non-repeated factor, this is clearly a quadratic expression, we will take linear expression on the numerator. Now we will take, this is a condition, equation number 1. Let consider the function t minus 1 by t plus 1 into, I will take order t square minus t plus 1. How to write this one? A by t plus 1. We will take linear expression bt plus c by t square minus t plus 1. This is equation number 2. We don't have any shortcut, I will do like this only. Now by taking LCM, denominators are same, that's why left side t minus 1, a into t square minus t plus 1, bt plus c into t plus 1. To find a, I will substitute t is equal to minus 1 based on this factor. So minus 1 minus, that is minus 2, a into minus 1 whole square 1, minus of minus plus 1 plus 1. This complete value becomes 0, minus 1 plus 1 0. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, na? 3 send this side. So a is equal to what? Minus 2 by 3. Now here coefficient of t square and t I am taking. Okay. T square coefficient is there, not there, 0. Here a into t square, that is a. bt into t, bt square, that is plus b. Send this side. B is equal to minus a. A is already negative, minus of minus plus, b is equal to 2 by 3. Next t coefficient. T coefficient here what? Here 1. Here was a t coefficient, or better you will take constant ma. T also take, no problem, minus 1. So only 1. A into minus t minus at, that is minus a is the coefficient. bt into 1 bt plus b is the coefficient. C into d ct, that is plus c. Now here 1 equal to minus of minus, that is plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus c. C equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 4, that is minus 4 by 3. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 by 3 is the c value. Now from this, from second equation, from equation 2, t minus 1 by t plus 1 into t square minus 2, so minus t plus 1 equal to a value how much? Minus 2 by 3 by t plus 1. Now b value 2 by 3, c value minus 1 by 3 is 2x by 3 minus 1 by 3 by t square minus t plus 1. 2t by 3 minus 1 by 3 ma. Now we will integrate this one on both sides. But it's all values we need to substitute in equation number 1 ma. From 1, what is the 1 is there? 1 by 2 into integral of this complete function, we got this one minus 2 by 3 by t plus 1 take 1 by 3 will common into 2t minus 1 by t square minus t plus 1 to overall dt. Directly I am doing I am not integrating again separately. Minus 2 by 3 is a constant common. Integral of 1 by x form log mod of t plus 1. 1 by 3 is a constant. If you differentiate this, what will get? Derivative of t square is 2t. T derivative 1, that is minus 1. 1 derivative 0. Which formula? F dash of x by f of x. That is 1 by 3 into log mod of t square minus t plus 1 plus c. Now, still the simplified answer, check once they got answer in the form of, also common is there, that's why we'll take 3 is a common. 3 common means what will get? 3 common because LCM is same, that is 1 by 6 minus 2 log mod of, what is a t means? T is x square, substitute here, x square plus 1 plus log mod of x square whole square, x power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus c. 1 by 6. I will take only 2 for this power minus log of x square plus 1 whole square plus log of x power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus c. Now this is now log a minus log b. Finally 1 by 6 into log of x power 4 minus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 whole square plus c. Now same expression there in which option? C in option A ma. Option A is the correct one. It's a little bit lengthy only, no shortcut for this. Next 47. Integral x cube minus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 into x plus 1 dx. This one I am not applying any substitution method ma. We can simplify to get same expression in numerator. For that I am adding x power 4 and subtracting x power 4 by x power 4 plus 1 into x plus 1 dx. In this first two terms I will take x cube is common, remaining x plus 1. In this minus I will take common x power 4 plus 1, x power 4 plus 1 value. Next denominator x power 4 plus 1 into x plus 1 dx. Now I will divide with the denominator, which is cancel, x plus 1 is cancel, remaining x cube by x power 4 plus 1 into dx minus these two are cancel, 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now derivative of this one, what will get? 4x cube, but 4 is not there, and we divide and multiply with 4. So integral 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now 1 by 4 into integral f dash of x by f of x, that is log mod x power 4 plus 1. This is clearly integral of 1 by x. So log mod of x plus 1 plus c. In which option is there this values? Option C. Next, question number 48. Integral x cube minus 1 by x cube plus x dx. It's clearly improper function. Improper function means we need to divide numerator with denominator until getting the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. X cube minus 1 dividing with x cube plus x. One time I am taking, multiply 1 into x cube plus x minus minus. What will you get? Remainder minus x minus 1. Now the remainder degree becomes 1 here, denominator 3, no issue. How to write this one? Integral quotient plus remainder. What is the remainder? Minus common means x plus 1 by denominator into dx. Now integral 1 dx integral x plus 1 by, take x common, what you will get? X square plus 1 dx. Integral 1 dx, again I am dividing with denominator, x cancel, what you will get? 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Open total, take, and plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 dx. Integral 1 dx, multiply minus inside, integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx minus integral, this one again we need to do partial fractions, is very lengthy process, we are not doing that one. This I am doing like this, simplification 1 by x minus x by x square plus 1. I am splitting like this integral term. Now we check once, take LCM, x square plus 1 minus x square cancel, 1 by will get, no issue. Here the condition wise, now integral 1 dx, integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx, multiply minus inside, integral 1 by x dx, minus of minus plus x by x square plus 1 dx. This derivative what? 2x, but 2 is not present, that's why I will multiply and divide with 2. Now we can integrate completely. Integral of 1 dx is x, this is tan inverse x, this is integral of 1 by x, that is log mod x, 1 by 2 into f dash of x by f of x log mod of x square plus 1 plus c. In which option is there this value? X minus log mod x plus 1 by 2 log mod x square plus 1 minus tan inverse x plus c, that is option B is the correct one. Next, question number 49, integral x minus 1 whole square divided by x square plus x square, sorry, x power 4 x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx equal to f of x plus c. We need to find the value of limit extends to infinity f of x dx, f of x value, but we need f of x first. Expand this, what will get? X square plus 1 minus 2x by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. This is little bit lengthy only. Splitting into two parts, x square plus 1 by this denominator, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx, integral of dx by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. Okay, now this is already we done models, x square plus 1, x power 4 plus x square plus 1, just now we done, taking x square common in numerator and denominator, 1 plus 1 by x square common, x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square dx. Here 2x by, you can write x square whole square, x square plus 1 dx. Here two substitutions we need to do separately. For this first one, which function derivative will get 1 plus 1 by x square, x derivative 1 no, minus 1 by x square derivative is plus 1 by x square, that's why I will take x minus 1 by x is t. Next here, which is t, another way of taking x square is u, because x square derivative is 2x dx is there already in numerator. Two substitutions we need to do separately. If you differentiate this, what you will get? 1 plus 1 by x square into dx equal to dt. Okay, but we have to change this also now. The same question, squaring on both sides. A minus b whole square, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, x cancel, minus 2 equal to t square, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square plus 2. Here differentiate. Same with respect to x only. 2x dx equal to du. Both expressions substitute in that. In the first term, 1 plus 1 by x square dx we got dt, that is 1 by into dt. X square plus 1 by x square, what you got, t square plus 2, here already plus 1 is there. Total t square plus 3 minus 2x dx is du. It's 1 by du. T is x square is u, that is u square plus u plus 1. This is a type 1. Type 1 we need to make perfect squares. 1 by t square plus root 3 whole square dt. First we need to make it u square, coefficient is 1, 1 is there. In u coefficient half value, u coefficient what, 1. Half value we need to take. Half value means 1 by 2. Square value add and subtract. 1 by 2 whole square. That is what I am adding. 1 by 4 adding and subtracting. This completely a plus b whole square, u plus 1 by 2 whole square. This complete value minus 1 by 4 plus 1, 3 by 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 I am writing like this, root 3 by 2 whole square. Directly I am writing both are in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square form only. 1 by a, that is 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t by root 3. So 1 by a, what is a? Root 3 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus c. 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t by root 3, 2 will comes to numerator, 2 by root 3. Tan inverse of LCM is what, 2. For denominator also LCM to 2 to cancel. 2u plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Now substitute t value and u value. X minus 1 by x by root 3 minus 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2u means 2x square because u is x square plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Still simplify 1 by root 3 tan inverse of x square minus 1 by x will comes to numerator, so denominator sorry, so x root 3x will get minus 2 root 3 tan inverse of 2x square plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Check options. Now options, now we are no need to take options further. We need to find limit extends to infinity. This is completely f of x. We got in terms of tan inverse. Here we need to find which value. Limit extends to infinity f of x. Infinity substitute here, 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of infinity square, infinity only, infinity by infinity simple. That's why what you will get here, tan inverse of infinity. 2 by root 3 is also tan inverse of infinity. Tan infinity at which angle? Pi by 2, that is 1 by root 3 into pi by 2 minus 2 by root 3 into pi by 2. Pi by 2 is common. 1 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3. Root 3 LCM 1 minus 2 is, that is minus 1. Total minus pi by 2 root 3 is the answer. That is option A is the correct one. This is the first and this is second, this is third part. Okay. Now finally we got minus pi by 2 root 3 is the required value. So next question number 50. Integral x square minus 4 by x power 4 plus 9x square plus 16 dx equal to the given tan inverse of f of x plus c. we need to find f of 4 value. Okay, same previous method we done. Take x square common in numerator and denominator. 1 minus 4 by x square by, here also x square common, x square plus 9 plus 16 by x square. X square cancel dx. Which function derivative will get here? If you take x derivative 1. If you take 4 by x, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. 4 by x if you take, you will get minus 4 by x square. That's why I am taking here x plus 4 by x is t. Differentiate this. X derivative 1, 4 constant. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Dx equal to dt. The same expression squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square. X square 4 by x whole square is 16 by x square. 2 into a into 4 by x is equal to t square. X cancel. 2 4s are 8. 8 send that side. X square plus 16 by x square equal to t square minus 8. Substitute all values in this. This complete value is equal to dt. X square plus 16 by x square is what? T square minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1, 9 is what? 1. That is t square plus 1. That is which formula? Integral 1 by 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse t plus c. Tan inverse of what is the t means? T is x plus 4 by x plus c. Now from this compare RHS, f of x is x plus 4 by x. We need to find f of 4. 4 plus 4 by 4 is 1. That is f of 4 is 5. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 51. 51 is given integral 2 into e power 5x plus e power 4x minus 4 into e power 3x plus 4 into e power 2x plus 2 into e power x by e power 2x plus 4 e power 2x minus 1 whole square. This is the given value. Okay, we need to simplify this complete value. Okay, first I will take in numerator into dx is there. First I will take e power x is common in numerator. What? 2 into e power 4x, e power 3x, 4 into e power 2x, 4 into e power x plus 2 divided by e power 2x means e power x whole square generally plus 4 e power 2x minus 1 whole square dx. Now I will substitute e power x is t because derivative of e power x is present in the numerator. If you differentiate this, e power x derivative is e power x into dx equal to dt. E power x dx is dt. Okay. Remaining substitute 2 into e power 4x means t power 4 t cube minus 4t square plus 4t plus 2 divided by t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 whole square into dt. Is any simplification? Check once values wise. Here the expression we are taking value wise 2t power 4 minus 4t square plus 2. This is 1. 2t power 4 minus 4t square plus 2 by t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 whole square. This I am taking one term divided by the denominator. What remaining terms we left? T cube and 4t plus t cube plus 4t by t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 whole square dt. Now take 2 common in numerator. T power 4 minus 2t square plus 1 by t square plus 4. If we expand this, what you will get? A square minus b square minus 2ab, that is 2t square plus b square. So both terms same only, it will be cancelled. T is dt. Numerator I will take t common, remaining t square plus 4 by t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 by minus 1 whole square dt. These two terms are gets cancelled. What remaining left in first term? 2 common, 1 by t square plus 2 square I can take 4 into dt plus t into dt by denominator what? T square minus 1 whole square. Again here the derivative of this one present here numerator, that's why again t square minus 1 I am taking u. Differentiate this one 2t dt equal to du. 2 centers because t only there. T dt equal to 1 by 2 du. This is exactly in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square, no problem. 1 by t square plus 2 square dt plus 1 by 2 common, 1 by u square du, because derivative again present, that's why we are taking one more time substitution. 2 into this is in which form? Integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a, that is 1 by 2, tan inverse of t by 2. Now integral of 1 by x square already so many times we did, minus 1 by x okay. So it is total what will get? Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by u plus c. Here 2 cancel. Tan inverse of what is the t means? T means e power x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into first 1 by u. What is u? T square minus 1. Tan inverse of e power x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into t square means what? E power x whole square, that is e power 2x minus 1 plus c. This is a simplified value, that is option C is the correct one. Next question number 52. Integral 2 sin 2x minus cos x by 6 minus cos square x minus 4 sin x dx. Okay, this is question is given. Now sin 2x formula what? 2 sin x cos x. 2 to the total what? 4 sin x cos x minus cos x by 6. Cos square change in terms of sin 1 minus sin square, minus multiplying means minus 1 plus sin square x minus 4 sin x. Take cos x common in numerator, remaining 4 sin x minus 1 into cos x dx by first sin square x minus 4 sin x plus 5. Now here I can substitute sin x is t, reason sin x derivative cos x dx is present in numerator. Differentiate cos x dx equal to dt. Integral 4t minus 1 into dt by t square minus 4t plus 5. It is again type 3. Type 3 what? Px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c concept we need to use. How to do in this one? Numerator equal to a into d by dt of derivative of denominator plus b. 4t minus 1 equal to a into, differentiate this, what will you get? 2t minus 4 plus b. Take it as equation number 1. Type 3 px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. To find a and b, we are taking coefficients of t and constants. Okay, not in comparing and all. x t coefficient what here 4, here 2 into a 2a will get, that's all. So a is equal to what, 2. Constant compare, minus 1 equal to a into minus 4, that is minus 4a plus b, minus 1 equal to minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus b. Send this minus this side, plus 8 minus 1, that is 7. These values take in first equation from 1. 4t minus 1 equal to 2 into 2t minus 4, b is 7. Now divide with the denominator and integrating on both sides. 4t minus 1 by t square minus 4t plus 5 dt. 2 is a constant common. 2t minus 4 by t square minus 4t plus 5 dt plus 7 constant common. Remember dividing, that's why 1 by t square minus 4t plus 5 dt. 2 into integral 2t minus 4 by t square minus 4t plus 5 dt. This is again type 1 concept. Integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. We need to make perfect squares. 1 by t square minus 4t. T square coefficient 1 is the correct. T coefficient what? Symbol not required. 4. 4 half is what? 2. 2 square we need to add and subtract. That all I am writing, this is 4 plus 1. So 2 into integral 2t minus 4 by t square minus 4t plus 5 dt plus 7 into integral 1 by this complete I can write t minus 2 whole square plus 1 square dt. Now all are converted into standard formulas. 2 into it is in which formula? Integral f dash of x by f of x log mod f of x, that is t square minus 4t plus 5 plus 7 into it is in which formula? Integral 1 by x square plus a square tan inverse of x by a, that is t minus 2 by 1, that is tan inverse of x only plus c. Sorry, that's all. Tan inverse 1 by a not required because 1 only. Now substitute that t value. What is the t? Sin x. Sin square x minus 4 sin x plus 5 plus 7 into tan inverse of sin x minus 2 plus c. In which option having this term? Option B is the correct one. Next questions based on integration by parts. UV rule, highlight rule is there, na? That concept. Question number 53 is a PE question ma. Integral of sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. How will write this one? 2 tan inverse x. You can do, this is homework ma, you can do, because it's a PE question only. 2 take common, u is a tan inverse x, v dash is 1 dx. Okay na? UV formula highlight rule wise you can solve. 54. What is 54 is given? I equal to integral log of cos x by cos square x dx. Okay. Now I equal to integral log of cos x, 1 by cos square we can write secant square x. This is logarithmic, this is trigonometry. I, L, A, T, E. L will first come, that's why this is u. U equal to log of cos x. V dash equal to secant square x. U dash we need to find out log derivative 1 by cos x and again cos derivative minus sin x. U dash is sin x by cos x. What will get sin x by cos x? Directly we can write tan x. V means we need to integrate v dash. Integral of secant square is, that is tan x. What is the formula we need to use? Integral u v dash equal to uv minus integral u dash v dx means dx take dt means dt. Okay, that is u. What is u? Log of cos x into v tan x minus u dash is minus tan x into v is tan x dx. Tan x take starting tan x into log of cos x minus of minus plus tan square x dx. But we don't have formula for tan square x. We'll convert that in terms of secant. Secant square x minus 1 dx. Now we'll integrate this tan x into log of cos x. Integral of secant square is tan x. Integral of 1 dx is minus x plus c. Now see in first option only their answer. Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 55. Integral e power minus x into 1 minus tan x into secant x dx. Okay, here e power minus x, secant multiply inside, secant x minus secant x into tan x dx. Now here I will substitute minus x is equal to t. From this x value what will get? Minus t. If you differentiate this, what will get? Minus dx equal to dt, dx equal to minus dt, e power t. Secant of minus theta, that is secant theta only. Secant of minus theta, secant theta, secant t only. But tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Minus of minus, what will get? Plus. Dx means minus dt. That minus I am writing outside. Okay. Minus dt. Now this is clearly the f of x, the f dash of x. Already we have formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Secant derivative is secant into tan. That's why e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. What answer? E power t into what is f of x? Secant t plus c. Now substitute that original values. Minus e power, what is the t means? Minus x. Secant of t means minus x. Secant of minus x, what will you get? Secant x only. Because secant of minus theta is secant theta. So which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Next, question number 56. I equal to integral root of 5 minus x by 2 plus x dx. Directly, we don't have any formula for this. We need to integrate for this. We need to simplify this complete function. For that, I am taking 2 plus x is equal to t square. I will make denominator is without root. Numerator without root, you can apply formula. From this x value, what will you get? T square minus 2. Differentiate this. 2 derivative 0. Dx equal to 2t dt. I equal to integral root of 5 minus of t square minus 2 by, so root of 2 plus x means root of t square, that is t. Dx means 2t dt. dt cancel. 2 constant common. Root of 5 minus of minus plus 7 minus t square dt. Okay. 2 into integral of this I can write root 7 whole square minus t square dt. Already we have formula integral root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. This formula we need to apply here. 2 into t by 2 under root of a square, root 7 whole square is 7 minus t square plus root 7 whole square, that is 7 by 2 sine inverse of t by a means what? Root 7 plus c. Still we need to simplify. If we multiply with 2 or take 2 common, 2 to cancel, only t remaining. T means what from this? T will get root of 2 plus x. So root of 7 minus, what is a t square? 2 plus x, that is minus 2 minus x. Only 7 because 2 multiplied 2 to cancel denominator. Sine inverse of t means root of 2 plus x by root 7 plus c. Now we have 7 minus 2, that is a 5. Finally, required value is root of 2 plus x into root of 5 minus x plus 7 into sine inverse of root of 2 plus x by 7 plus c. In which option is there this value? 2 plus x or x plus 2? No problem. Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 57. F dash of x is given 1 by minus x plus root of x square plus 1. And f of 0 also given what? Minus of 1 plus root 2 by 2. Then we need to find f of 1 value. First we need f of x. We given f dash of x, derivative and integrated both are reverse process. That's why you will integrating on both sides. Integral of f dash of x dx. Integral of 1 by this I will write like this, root of x square plus 1 minus x dx. Now derivative, this will be cancelled, we will get only f of x, derivation and integration. To find this one directly we don't have formula, we will integrate, rationalize that before integration. X square plus 1 minus x, I will rationalize in this one, x square plus 1 plus x by root of x square plus x dx. Numerator in the form of x square plus 1 plus x by denominator a minus b into a plus b. A square means root will be cancelled, x square plus 1 minus b square means minus x square dx. X square cancel. Now f of x equal to this root we can write x square plus 1. Direct we have formula, no? Then take directly only. Root of x square plus 1 dx plus integral of x means x power 1 dx. We have formula for this also, integral root of x square plus a square formula, x by 2 into root of x square plus a square means 1 square is 1 by 2 log mod of x plus under root of x square plus a square plus integral of x means x square by 2 plus c. This is which one? F of x. Now here f of 0 is given already. That's why I will put x is equal to 0 in this. Okay. Now, by substituting 0, f of 0 means, okay, f of 0 is completely 0. Log 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1. Log 1 also what again? 0 plus here also 0 only, leave it, 0 by 2 0. C is equal to f of 0. Finally, C is equal to f of 0, well already we know minus of 1 plus root 2 by 2. If you simplify this, what will you get? Minus 1 by 2 minus into plus minus root 2 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is the C value we got. But which one we need to find out? F of 1. In this 1 substitute 1 by 2, 1 square plus 1, that is root 2. 1 by 2 log of 1 plus root of 1 plus 1 root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. Now here root 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. Now 1 by 2 log of 1 plus root 2 plus 1 by 2. What is the C value? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Finally, f of 1 value how much? 1 by 2 into log of root 2 plus 1 or 1 plus root 2. Now in which option having this value? See in option D. Option D is the correct one.